So today command for learning, it's simple one. It's called pwd, and it's actually that. So it means that's print working directory. Why such a name? As usual, um, first need to understand where this name came. So because the Linux CLI and basically the whole Linux with input, it's the interaction, its forces on the it's built on the level of on the idea of the input output. So the print in this case mean put on the stream whatever is device is, standard output device is, and print the name of the working directory. So where is right now the context? So it's helpful in two cases. First, when to understand, like for example, we went here, cd bin ls, for example. So we went here and like we want to know on which directory we are. So we will print working directory, and it will show us it's bin. So let's look what directory is. So L. So for example, we in this directory we want to understand. So it's first, so two seats on the CLI and the console. Second, it's when we're using the bash script. So when we want to understand, when we want to use the as its a variable, so for the passing as argument to the next function, so is actually for scripting. But okay, so next argument is pwdp. So it's about symbolic links. So please pay attention. So if you will write pwd, it will show us just bin. If we point pwb, it will show us the user bin. So it's so-called real path. It's not symbolic as it was before, so it's because it's user bin we're working on. Again, minus p, so it's real. So first pw, then we want to use this as want to use the real path, so we will use pwd minus p. Next, pwl. So it's again showing that with the idea of saving symbolic links, but doesn't match. So anyway, it will show us the same bin, not user bin. So if we want to, for example, use it in the bash, so let's use like this. For example, first we will save it as a variable in the system. So like as the variables, it's actually storage for later usage. It's nothing fancy. Somebody knows, somebody not, but just remember, if you don't know, that it's just a storage for the value. So, and here we saving the pwd result of the pwd command in the swd variable. Okay, now if we want to print that variable, So we will do this. And to show us what was saved before. So we can use it in whatever bash script we need it, like in Docker and so forth. Or we can do this, for example, also. What's this here? It's the same. So please remember that pwd is often used in the bash script, not often in the CLI, but it's important command, pwd.